ClassTrack.com, making work easier.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to add documents for your batch. Simply go to ClassTrack.com and log in with your credentials. When you log in, you will see the dashboard and it will show you the current date's batches. Click on the batch you want to add students and wait for it to load the attendance screen. Now click on the Documents button on the top right corner. Click on the Settings icon on the right corner of Category. Click on the Category drop-down. Now from here you can modify title and click on the Modify button. Now you can see the title you entered here is showing in list. If you want to add other options, then do it repeat. Simply click on the category you added, and click on the Settings icon, then click on the Delete button to delete the category. Now you can see that category is deleted. If you want to upload any PDF file, then click on the category in which you want to show, then click on the Upload Files button. You can upload any document from your storage, then you can see that document is uploaded successfully and shown in all menu or in particular that category. You can click on the document to see your document view and click the close icon. If you want to upload any image file, then go to that category, click the icon on the right corner. Simply click on the Upload File button. Now you can upload any image file from your storage. Now you can see all the documents that you have added are listed here. Click on the third tab on the top, which is Document Editor. You can add any title and description. Click on the Save button. Now you can see that it is successfully added. So this is how you can add the documents on ClassTrack.com. Please visit our YouTube channel and see other tutorials. Or simply click on the tutorial button on the top menu of your screen. Thank you for using ClassTrack.com.